Hey everyone, today's video is on a question I've heard a lot lately. What's the best way to clean all-weather floor mats? Well, my friends, stick around because in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to do. As you can see, these floor mats are filthy, so I'm going to pull them out of the car and shake them off to remove any loose dirt. The next thing I'm going to do is rinse them off with water. This is something you can do with a pressure washer or a garden hose. Either one will work just fine. To make sure we can remove any tough stains, I'm going to spray the mats down with an all-purpose cleaner. The cleaner I'm using here is Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, diluted 5:1 with water. I'm then going to use a drill brush to work the all-purpose cleaner into the mats. If you don't have a drill brush, you can find one on Amazon for about $10. You can also use a household scrubber brush if you want to do this by hand. After scrubbing the mat, I'm going to rinse it off again with water. You can see here that it doesn't take much to make a pretty significant improvement. Now we're going to move over to the next side where we can repeat the process again. Just to recap, we're going to give the mat a good rinse, and then we're going to spray it down with some all-purpose cleaner. Use the drill brush or scrubber brush to loosen the dirt from the mat surface. Then use your pressure washer or hose to clean off the remaining cleaning solution. After cleaning each mat, I'm going to use a leaf blower to speed up the drying process. You could also wipe the mats down with a towel or just prop them up outside to air dry. And with that, here are the final results. After only about 20 minutes, we have these floor mats looking great again. Like I said, this was just a quick video to show you how I get this job done. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my future tips and tricks. Until next time, this is Ryan with Allison Detailing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.